Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you how easy it is to monitor active interfaces for our highly dynamic temperature control systems, PRESTO. For this, you can use the so-called watchdog function. The watchdog function ensures a reliable and safe operation if the connection to the data processing system, like a PC or a PLC system, is lost and the PRESTO no longer receives commands from the remote control. Let's have a look at the PRESTO menu. Your desired interface can be set in the submenu Connect Unit at Remote Control. The watchdog function is only activated if a valid working temperature is received. The valid temperature can be defined at actuating variable. Via controller, you can define a set point, or via digital, you can define a variable. You can access the watchdog function in the submenu Digital Interfaces. In the event of failure, the unit will then react with the selected mode. First of all, you can activate or deactivate the watchdog function. As the first mode, you can define a set point which will become active when a connection loss happens. Alternatively, you can define if the unit should switch to standby mode, or you can define if the unit should reach a certain set point and then switch to standby mode. As the next step, you set the timeout. The timeout defines the duration until the actual start of the watchdog function. For example, 30 seconds without receiving any command. Then you can define the set point, which will be active in the event of failure in order to bring the unit into a safe condition. Using the function restart mode, you can select when the PRESTO should return to its original operating stages. Either when all commands are received correctly again, or when the set point command is received again. Then you can decide if you want to create a warning signal and how to reset the signal manually or automatically. As you can see, we have integrated many safety features in the PRESTO process circulators to allow for maximum operational safety. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.